That's great. Let's see it. Had that in there. Shine a light right here.
What in the...
Cocky want us to get. What's it doing that for?
Cocky Wamus? What's Cocky
Yeah,
Wamus?
stay right. Right there. Why did they make it? This is. Why did they make it this hard for? It should be easy. Maybe I'm not even doing it right. That's a possibility. That's a very good possibility. Oh, right there. Ha! Hold on. Come on. Just get in there. Why can't something in my life just be easy?
I think you're gonna break it if you try that.
No. How'd they get that in there? We got it. Let's see if this works.
Is it right? It's backwards.
No, it's not. It can't be.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look. You can't. Yeah, it can't be backwards.
Why is it going forward instead of backward then? Whatever, like, you can't push it, like...
You can push back. You just do this. That's gotta be it. Let's test it. Get a cup.
Get a cup.
Get a cup. Why is that not working? That feels awful loose, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Was it always that loose? Do you think it's not wrong, you think? That has to be how it goes. How it goes. I fixed something. I think. Can you imagine if I fix this? I can't imagine. If I fix this, man, that's awesome. I can't believe if I fix this, man. Give me. Let's see. Oh man, let's see. Does that water thing look crooked? Doesn't it usually come? Does that usually look crooked? What'd I do wrong?
I don't know.
Oh man, did I goof something up? That's just the lever. Oh man, I messed something up, didn't I? I hate to take a thing apart. I mean, it works. Let me see the ice. Something's getting stuck. Something's stuck. Something's not right. It's like. Let me see. It sucks. You think that's spiraling wrong? I'm gonna try this again. That's fine. It works. Maybe it just needed worked in. I think it's fine. That thing should be back this way, but I'm breaking it off. That's not. Oh, there it is. That's it. That's why. That needs to be pushed in. I had calcium buildup on there. Look at that. All that calcium had that tube diagonal, and I just pushed. I didn't break it either, did I? No. I fixed it. By God, I fixed something. I fixed it.
You gonna drink the water for like victory?
No. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I fixed it. That's awesome. I can't believe I actually fixed something. I'm proud of myself.